All right, let's take care of our 3 content boxes. So, of course, the header and the main navigation menu are done. I'm just going to scroll down here a little bit. The 3 content boxes, how do you want to pull them out? We could use the rectangular marquee tool. That would be perfectly fine, so long as we enclose the content box within marching ants, something like that. You don't have to be too careful with your selection. Why am I not being careful with these sorts of selections, by the way? Because there's nothing inside the white space there. It's just empty. So Photoshop's only going to cut the actual pixels off of the wireframe layer, just in case you weren't sure why I was doing that. So this is one way to do it. You can use your magic wand tool. That would be fine as well. A couple of different ways to do it. Doesn't really matter. We're all going to wind up with the same result, right? So I'm just going to make sure that I have the correct layer selected inside the layers panel. So layer 2. I've got my selection here, Command-Shift-J. And there's my new layer with content box 1 on it. Right, so no big deal here. Content box 1. There we go. Okay, so let's go and finish these guys off. Maybe what I'll do is I'll switch over to my magic wand tool for the last 2 guys here. So I'll go and grab him out of the toolbox. Take the second content box. I'm just double checking that I have the correct layers selected inside the layers panel. And I'll single click on content box 2. There we go. Command-Shift-J. And of course, name this guy appropriately. Content box 2. Very lovely. One more to go here. Single click on content box 3, Command-Shift-J. And of course, name this guy content box 3. There we go. Beautiful stuff. Nice and easy and quick. Because we've done this several times, we can obviously move a lot faster, right? So good stuff. There we go. All right, so if I just pan down a little bit here inside the low resolution layout, we have the news feed and we have the footer, and then we're on to design. So things are coming together nice and quickly.